So how's the quality of it? That's the quality as well. That's how strong this is. All right, guys, for starters, you actually have to put this safe together. I have reviewed very many safes from brands. I have never had to put the safe together myself. Like, I'm not impressed that you have to put it together yourself. Like, for the value and everything, yeah, I'm not impressed with that at all. So at the end of the day, this is what the front looks like. You have your top storage space, you have your main with your keypad, and then you have your bottom. Your keys are located behind back here, so make sure you pull them, and same with your actual door here. So this is everything from the inside. You have your pouches. Again, I've never reviewed a safe that you had to put together. So please know that. I'm not impressed, because for the value, we've gotten way better, and it came together. So keep that in mind. So if you want a project for you or your family, or for whoever you're getting it for, and you love putting stuff together, this is probably for you. But if you're like me, that you know, you want you're investing the value, you want to actually have it together already, which again, 99% of all safes I've ever reviewed came already put together, because that's the whole purpose. That's what you're giving the value for. And this, yeah, I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed at all.
Can I just say that this has to be one of the most scammiest listings I have ever seen? It does not show anywhere in the main title. It does not show anywhere in the about this item that it needs put together. They are scamming customers. So for the same price, you can get safes already put together. In fact, I have reviewed a bunch of safes and never had to put a safe together for this value. I mean, this is like I would say a $65 safe to $79 safe minimum, because you have to put it together. It is an absolute scam. And even this person commented, which they gave a 5-star. It's a fake review. They were probably told to give that 5-star review. But even in this main section, so the whole main product description, it doesn't say about it doesn't say about needs put together. Like, it just simply talks about the safe and shows it already together. Like, it's pretty amazing that this company is trying to scam customers like this for the value. It's crazy.
Just a quick kick. So for the fact that it's not put together, for the fact that it's easily bendable, I can't recommend it. I really can't. There's way better brands out there that actually put their safes together